How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can remove suggested on Messenger. For this, you want to open the Messenger app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for Messenger and have this application downloaded on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Make sure to log into your account. Now, whenever you tap on the search option, you have a list of suggested people. If you do not want this, if you want to remove the suggested on Messenger, then watch this video till the end. Now, previously, there was a setting where you could tap on these three lines, then tap on the gear icon. Scroll down and on the preferences section, you had the option of contacts. Tap on the contacts option and turn off the sync contact option. However, this option is no longer available after the update. If it is still available in yours, then you can simply turn off the contact syncing. If it is not available, head back. Now you want to tap on the people tab. Over here, you can find the list of people who are suggested to you that you do not want. All you want to do is tap and hold on to that and then tap on the hide option. In the same way, you can do this for the rest of the suggested contacts that you do not want. Once you do that, that contact will not be suggested to you anymore. Additionally, you can also adjust the privacy settings on Facebook or clear your search history. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.